Good morning, my name is Albert Chow. I'm one of the Super Lux brand specialists here at Grand Touring Automotive Oakville. So right here is an absolute gem. It's a 2014 Continental GT Speed, which means it's got the W12 engine. Pumps around 630 horsepower. And when I say this is a gem, it's an absolute gem, right? You don't really get any more W12's engine, and this car is in absolute immaculate shape. There's no impurities on the exterior. Just gonna give you a quick tour of this gorgeous car. And under the sun, this blue is just so vibrant. Only flaw I can see in this car is just the rims, which that will be addressed before delivery. Other than that, tires and brakes are in very good shape. It's gonna show you the really nice interior. So it's got the white interior, it's got the diamond stitching, right? It will come with these mats as well, right? It does come with heated and ventilated front seats, and with the white stitching, it's a really classy look, right? And it's got the carbon fiber on the center console as well. So although this car is 2014, it does not look like a 2014 car. It was really well maintained, right? There's no signs of wear and tear, especially on the seats. It's in very good shape. Just gonna give you a quick tour of the interior. Only has around 73,000 kilometers, but as mentioned before, it is really well maintained. For an older car, especially on the steering wheel, there should be some signs of like wear and tear, but it is in very good shape. Even the center console as well, it is in very good shape. So as mentioned, it does have heated and cooling front seats for both sides, right? It does have Bluetooth, and it does have backup cameras as well. So you can see backup camera, front and back sensors too. So my name is Albert from Grand Touring Automotive Oakville. If you're interested in this gorgeous gem, absolutely reach out and we can book an appointment. I'll have this car detailed ready to go so we can go for a quick drive. But honestly, it's really hard to find a car as nice as this, and with a W12 engine, it's an absolute gem. So once again, my name is Albert from Grand Touring Automotive Oakville. Hopefully I'll meet you folks soon. Have a great day.